Who did that? Don't look up there. I'm talking to y'all.
Did you?
Look at it. Look at it.
You do that? Huh? Who was it?
Were you a naughty boy? Were you naughty?
Who ate that one? Did you eat that one? Is that you? Who ate the controller?
Did you do that? Abby? Did you do this? Abby?
Are you sorry? Do you think it's funny?
Did you do this? Oh, he's not going to do it. Bummer. Did you do this?
Oh, can I help you? Are you fresh?
What did you do? What did you do?
Are you bad? Are you bad? Buck, were you bad?
Who's a good boy? Huh? Hey. What's that? You were so happy a minute ago.
Hey, what are you doing? Did you eat these?
What happened?
Zorro, who did all of this? Who did all of this? He did this? Who did this?
Did you eat my card? Huh? Hey. You did eat my card.
You want to lick my bowl? You want to lick my bowl? Say please.
Good girl.
Look, did you?
Hey, Axel, did you do this? Axel, oh. Did you?
Huh? What's wrong with Mom's teeth? Huh? What'd you do?
Any crumbs. So, who did it? Major, Gracie,